on, guys? We are back at the Mustang lifestyle compound, or whatever you want to call it. You guys really liked the last video, and I will admit I didn't fill in most of the gaps. It was a lot of work moving all this stuff, but here we are, and I'm gonna start filming the process. A lot of you guys commented you wanted to see the process of building and improving the shop, and we still got a long ways to go. I really would like to soundproof the dyno room. I'd love to AC this. I'd love to AC the main shop. I'll actually show you that here real quick. Our goals today is to get the dyno 100% operational and probably make a hit on OG. It's NA right now. If you guys have not followed along, we're putting a Predator supercharger setup on that car and painting it. But that's later down the line. But I guess we'll dyno it, see what it does NA. We can compare that to the Fox body numbers, which essentially has a very similar engine combo. Here is the main shop. My goal here eventually is going to be AC and some probably white walls, white walls, really good lighting, but it's all a work in progress. So that's the little walkthrough here of the shop. If you guys are liking the videos, make sure you hit the like button down below. It helps support the channel, helps get it out to more people. You guys commenting and liking got the video to just do really, really well that we just posted. Yeah, I'll give you guys a little walkthrough. If you come through here, we got some work in progress. We got all the Mustang lifestyle merch all set up. If you guys are interested in picking up a t-shirt, hat, keychain, we have the stuff on the website. We also have it discounted. I'd like to start bringing in some new, maybe monthly designs. And yeah, but we do all still have quite a bit of the OG merch. And some of these designs won't go anywhere. But yeah, go ahead and pick up what is available. There's still a lot of stuff here. And yeah, go check out the website. But yeah, this is the kind of back office section. There's a little bit of stuff everywhere, but it's gonna be nice. You can see we got our weld display. We're also a weld dealer, weld CCW, Forge Star. If you guys need anything on that. And everything's looking pretty good. Lifts are wired. I think Don is coming down. He's gonna help us fully wire in the rest of the lights and get things kind of super neat and organized. You can see my electrical is this orange wire, and Don did this nice yellow stuff right here. And we got a fresh panel in there, looking good. So over here in the dyno shop, we got all the D-rings marked out. I have a drill, concrete drill. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and drill. These are called Tapcon. So we're gonna drill kind of the hole, and then these are basically like self-tapper of concrete. And we're gonna go ahead and do those throughout. We got the D-rings all laid out, marked. So we're just basically gonna go get to work, and then I guess we'll dyno this thing. All right, so we made some good progress drilling. Got the holes nice and dialed. Boom. So my holes, hardware. So these come with some different hardware, which I didn't really like. We tried it right here. That didn't work well. So we're gonna have to cut that off and fix this. But I went ahead and drilled this. Pretty much perfect, ready to go, except I ran into a problem. This doesn't fit through there. So I guess we're gonna either have to drill this bracket to clearance for that, or we're gonna have to get some different tie downs. So I'm gonna look and see what's available locally, see if I can just get some tie downs with some bigger holes. If not, we can drill that out bigger or readjust our plans. I just really didn't like what this did to the concrete here. I may have installed it incorrectly, but it basically went in sideways and it's unusable. That thing's just messed up. All right, so I think I found a solution. Well, there's two options. I can either drill out every one of these brackets to accept this larger bolt. It barely doesn't fit, so it won't be too bad, but it's just feeling it to be a little time consuming. other option I found at Tractor Supply, there's some actually higher rated D-rings that look like they accept a larger bolt, like this 3/8 right here. So we're gonna go head over to Tractor Supply, take a look, see if they do in fact accept this larger bolt. If not, we'll come back and drill these out. Didn't expect this process to be that time consuming, but well, it's where we're at. So we're gonna go there and, you know, take a look, see what we got. I just really don't want to bother reusing these. I'm not a big fan. It's cool because they're removable, but not really. This one just really screwed up. Maybe I'm just being a wimp because the first one I messed up, but yeah, we're gonna go there. The cool thing about that is you'd have these little bolt things and they'd be, you know, removable, but this thing just completely went sideways, cracked. That's not good. Those of you guys wondering, the old July 28, 2020 F-250 doing great. That's not low. Gotta do an oil change. That's not low. Come on. All right, we got 110,000 miles on the old F-250. Oil changes and fuel filters. Good to go. So let's head over to Tractor Supply. Rolling up to Tractor Supply. Well, that's not gonna work. I think that's basically what we have. Guess we're gonna be drilling. Okay, well, I just realized I don't have a vise here, but we have successfully drilled out. We picked up a fresh drill bit as well from Tractor Supply. Went through that, makeshift bench. We gotta make a list of more things we need for the shop, but we'll make it work. We had one at the other place, but it was kind of a piece of crap, so we threw it away. All right, now that we are properly drilled out, should be able to knock this into the concrete. Finally, I have one complete D-ring. All right, here we go. All right, now just hope this goes smooth. Okay, looking good so far. All right, I think that's it. So I think we just need to go down. I think that's it. Woo! We got one done. It's a little sketchy because it kind of went down a little crooked, but now we just got to do it 5 more times. The first one, the tricky part. Now, repeat. All the way around. Okay guys, so got our 5 D-rings holders, and we're gonna go ahead and drill those out to the 1/2 inch. We got a 1/2 inch fresh drill bit. Got some WD-40 to lubricate the process. We saw that one worked, so we're just gonna go ahead and knock out the remaining 5 so then we can continue on the process. All right, now time for D-ring number 2. Holes, drill them, bolt them in. Like my concrete drill bit is dead, so we gotta go to Lowe's now, get another one of those. Turn it into an all-day fair. New bit acquired. All right, back, new drill bit, let's try it. 2 done. Well, we were making such good progress, but these drill bits keep wearing out. Basically, I think every 6 holes, they're about done. So I think I'm gonna have to go back to Lowe's. I'm gonna get 2 this time, return the one I just bought. But these are all done. So just got to go 4 more holes and should be good. Already got that strap on. Does this happen to anyone else? Any sort of non-mechanical project, I'm back and forth to Lowe's multiple times a day. I think this is like the 4th time. And this happens on like everything I do, house, home improvement, garage type stuff. I think I'm just really bad at figuring out what exactly I need or how I do stuff. I feel like I'm starting over with mechanical stuff. Mechanic stuff, working on cars, boom. I know exactly what I need. I'm in, out. I got the stuff for what I need, and if I don't have what I need to do it, I'll figure out a way to do it with the stuff that's there. But when it comes to this freaking concrete drill, dude, this is now going to be the 3rd and 4th one I bought, and they just keep wearing out. Kind of a pain in the butt, but we're just going to go bite the bullet, go back out to the store, 10 minutes there, shop around, grab the concrete saw, and come back, or drill. Comment down below, does this happen to you guys too? But hopefully we'll be making some vroom vroom noises before it gets late. 2 more bits for sacrifice. All right, 1 more. That one's already strapped. All right, I think we're ready for test run number 1. Got the anchors in the ground. Dyno handheld right there. We've got the vacuum leak sealed up with some nice duct tape. Like I said, this car is not gonna be NA for long, but just so happened to be a good little test run. We're all strapped in. Got the laptop. I don't even know what tune is in this thing. I basically just threw something in to run. So we'll see if it's good enough to make an NA hit. If not, I'll make some improvements to it, run it out. See if we can make like 430 wheel or so. It's on E85 now. All right, so we made the first pull with the car. Well, there's some issues. With this Coyote swap, the control pack file, there's some issues that you basically got to tweak right away. So there's a bunch of codes that kind of throw off the fuel system. It went into OL fault, and it made 330 horsepower. What I'm gonna do right now is basically turn off a lot of the codes that are freaking out the computer, and hopefully we get rid of that OL fault and it goes into OP, optimum power, enrichment. Rather than going 7.0 lambda, we're talking about an 8.3. So we're gonna go make a hit. I think the rev limiter is about 7,500. That should be fine for what we're doing right now. And let's see, we made 330, which is not good. Let's see if we make somewhere in the 4 something range. That's what I'd like to see. All right, so just like you just saw, OG 418 horsepower on that second run. Kind of what you would expect from a basic bolt-on Gen 1 truck motor Coyote. Believe it or not, the Fox body is actually healthier. The Fox body made like 430, but I'm happy with that. I don't think we need to tweak it too much. It's pretty hot out. So 418, 379, you can see this first run was awful. That was the OL fault that I fixed. And if you guys have a stock control pack tune, hit me up, let me know. We can get you tuned pretty quick, pretty easy. As you can see, one revision, we made nearly 100 more horsepower. And obviously the car is running right now. You can see it was all over the place. This was at 7.0 Lambda. So if you have a base control pack file in your Coyote swap, go ahead and hit me up. I'll have the link down in the description. You can pick up the HP Tuners RTD. We have them in stock. Link down in the description. We'll get you set up, tuned, boosted, whatever you need. And if you guys need some setup help, I can also give you a little bit of tweaks there. Obviously, this car is not like a prime example of, you know, something beautiful right now that we built. Literally in the temporary stages, as you can see right there. But this motor's coming out. Probably going to go Gen 3 with it, but you can see, even hacked together, it still makes really good power, super smooth. All right, well, I think the dyno is installed, it works. OG made some power, 418. I mean, they made 650 before, so that's kind of light work. Assumably, hopefully the engine's still healthy. It's been a while since it's really been ripped on, but we still got a lot of tweaks to go. Soundproofing is gonna be one of the major things in here. Keeping that sound level down. Obviously, this thing's loud, it's got side exhaust, but the plan is to build some sort of exhaust routing out the back, insulate this off so that way you're not just having metal reverberate the sound. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below. If you guys like the video, leave a comment, like, and stay tuned for more of the house and garage builds series. And you got to see some car content in it too. So see you guys in the next one.